What's the meaning of crossbreeding? Crossbreeding. Crossbreeding.
Crossbreeding. Crossbreeding. Crossbreeding refers to the process of breeding two different varieties or species of an organism to produce hybrid offspring with desirable traits from both parents. This technique is commonly used in agriculture, horticulture, and animal breeding to improve crop yield, disease resistance, growth rate, or other characteristics. The result of crossbreeding depends on the specific traits and genetic makeup of the parent organisms, but generally, the offspring will have a combination of traits from both parents, which may result in improved performance or unique characteristics that are not present in either parent.